Hey guys, we are coming at you, and in this video, we're gonna break down why having too many marketing channels going at the same time can actually be the death of your wholesaling business. Now, while you're here, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so it alerts you to let you know when we release fresh new content, and let's get right to this video.
Ain't nothing gonna stop this fire.
I can't believe his business is so incredible, and if I can do this, every single one of you can do this. Every single one of you.
Something higher. Ain't nothing gonna stop this fire.
Hey guys, Cody Hofhine here with Wholesaling Inc., the #1 wholesaling coaching program, and I am going to break down why having too many marketing channels running at the same time, why it can be the death of your wholesaling business, especially for beginners, those that are just barely getting in the game. So let's break this down. And why is it? Why is it that too many marketing channels can actually hurt your business versus the natural thought would say, no, it's gonna bring in more leads, it's gonna bring in more opportunity, and we're gonna close more deals. So let's break this down. I want you to think about the sniper and the duck hunter, right? We got two different people that are shooting guns. You got the sniper shooting one bullet at a time, and you've got the shotgun, the duck hunter, right? That shoots a shotgun and a ton of BBs come out at the same time. What's the difference approach here? The difference is, as a duck hunter shoots, the reason why they have to put so many BBs in each bullet or in each shell is because every time he shoots, not 100% of those BBs are actually hitting the target. He may be lucky if 10% of those BBs are hitting the target. So it's crucial that he has a ton of BBs going out there to give him the shot of hitting that duck. Now the sniper, on the other hand, who would you be more afraid of? If you were out in the distance or you're out and about, are you more afraid of the duck hunter shooting a shotgun? Or are you more afraid of the sniper shooting one bullet at a time? I will tell you, I'm gonna answer for myself, it's the sniper every single time. These guys are trained to hit their target 100% of the time, only shooting one bullet at a time. It's not a machine gun just spraying everywhere. It's one bullet at a time, sharpshooter, hitting the target every single time. And when you get into wholesaling as you begin, you have to remember you cannot be doing what everyone else is doing. So many times we get into this business and we think, oh man, I gotta be doing what Cody's doing, or I gotta be doing what Tom's doing, or I gotta be doing what this business is doing that's doing $2 million a year or $3 million a year. But you gotta remember, each and every one of us, myself, Tom, and any other big business that's out there, started somewhere. They started where you're at right now. So if you're at the beginning stages, we've been there before. And the surest way to succeed is doing the sniper approach and only shooting one bullet at a time. Now, if you know us at Wholesaling Inc., the one that we absolutely love, and which everyone thinks is dead, which I love when they say that because it leaves more deals for us, is direct mail. So if you're gonna get into marketing, why I love direct mail, we're gonna talk about this and why you should focus on at least just one marketing channel until it's up and running. I can tell you there is a time where you'll bring on more marketing channels. I personally do more marketing channels, but I started with just shooting one bullet at a time, just like the sniper. Why I chose direct mail. Direct mail allows you to get out in front of a lot of people, because at the beginning stages, a lot of us, in fact, my personal story, I was still working a full-time job doing insurance. And so I didn't have a ton of time during the day to pick up the phone and just be proactive and say, hey, I'm gonna just start calling through a bunch of lists. I had very little time because I had to make money still doing insurance. So the time I had was maybe 2 to 3 hours a day. I didn't have 8 hours a day to spend on wholesaling. So my best way to grow that and scale that and get to that position quick was through direct mail. Direct mail went out and did all of the heavy lifting for me to make the people that are motivated, and some people that weren't motivated, call me back, so that simply when I had the time, when I had a break, I could just go to my voicemails and find out who left voicemails, who left messages, and then start calling them back. Now, the sniper approach. If I were to do direct mail, and if I were to do Facebook and PPC, which is pay-per-click, and just do a little bit of each and just dabble at the beginning stages, it's no different than, let's go with the NBA. You've got Steph Curry, you've got so many good shooters out there. Why are they the best shooters? Why do they have the highest percentage? Or why do they make the most points? It's because they take the most shots. They're the individuals that are shooting the most. And statistically, when you shoot the most and when you're actually pretty good at it, you're able to make more points. The same thing with your wholesaling business. It's all about volume. So if you, at the beginning stages, when the budget's really tight and you don't really have a big budget starting off, you want to make sure that you're spending that whole budget in just one area. Getting a ton of shots, just like Steph Curry, getting a ton of shots, because the more you shoot, the more you make. That's just the name of the game. So if you spread that out between multiple channels, the issue is you're not getting powerful at any one of them. And it ends up being the brokest investors and the ones that go out of business the fastest and die the quickest are the ones that do too many marketing channels right out of the gates, and they never become a master of any of them. They just simply dabble in each one of them, not getting enough looks, not getting enough shots. And at the end of the day, it kills your business, and it's gonna put you back into that 9 to 5 that you're trying to escape maybe, or maybe you're just trying to find a way to make ends meet or to pay your bills. It's gonna put you right back into that cycle, right back into that place that you don't wanna be, that you're trying to get away from. So make sure at the beginning stage it's super crucial that you act as a sniper. Shoot one bullet at a time. Just pick one marketing channel. If time is of the time, like let's say you have a ton of time, you have plenty of time, and you have a very little budget, cold calling might be the way to start. But if it's like what I had to do, where I'm working a 9 to 5 job and I'm busy doing that, I have very little time. That's why I went direct mail. And how much? How much should you be spending? I tell everyone, as much as you can. You can't just simply dabble. You've got to get enough looks. So if you're going to do direct mail, make sure you're sending out at least 2,000, 2,500 mail pieces every single week, not month, every single week. So that means about 10,000 pieces a month. Now those 10,000 pieces don't just go out all at once. Notice that I broke it down granular. 2,500 pieces a week. Always consistently marketing each and every week so that every time you market consistently, it's going to lead you to getting on the phone consistently with motivated sellers, getting consistently on in appointments in their houses, making offers, and ultimately getting contracts or agreements signed, and then which leads you to our final step, getting paid. So if you want to make this work and you truly want wholesaling to be something that can help you get away from whatever you're trying to get away from, or turn it into a business where you can grow to the point where you are doing what you're looking for as a goal, as a future, 2 million, 3 million, 4 million a year, you can do that, but make sure you start where everyone started, and that's like a sniper, one shot at a time. Now, if you're new here, I want you to comment down below and put first time, okay? So go in those comments and put first time if this is your first time hearing a video from us. If it's something that you're returning to us for maybe a second time, third time, I want you to comment down below and put I'm back. Now, if you have any questions about marketing, specifically about direct mail, comment down below. I'd be glad to chime in, answer those questions, and get you up and running so that you can have a thriving, successful business that serves you, that you're not always having to serve. Always hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so it alerts you when we upload fresh new content, and I'm gonna see each one of you guys on the next YouTube video. Take care.